Hey guys, this is Sean over at Cruising Classics. Today we're doing a little walk around on a 69 Plymouth RoadRunner. Beautiful show quality black paint, show quality chrome and stainless. That black looks so deep that you could hop in and take a swim. Polished American racing wheels, torque thrust 2s. This car does have a 383 under the hood. It is a factory 383 car, but it is a 1965 383 in there currently. Car runs out, drives excellent. It's got a TCI 727 Torqueflite in it with a Street Fighter Converter. Beautiful new interior. Black vinyl bucket seats. Bench in the back. Functioning dome light. Ratchet shifter up front. The car runs and drives out excellent. Sounds great. It's got 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust. Cannot get over how nice the paint is on this car. Body gaps are excellent. Shine is super clean. I mean, it is extremely clean car. Nice dual exhaust coming out the back. Beautiful straight body panels. Straight as an arrow. If you guys have any questions or you want a close-up picture or video, give us a call at 614-276-7355. Be happy to help you out. See, it does have a fire extinguisher in it, something every hot rod should have. Once again, door gaps are excellent. Under the hood is stunning, as you can see in the still shots at the end of the video. What we're going to do next is actually take this car down the road. That way you can hear how tight it is. There aren't any squeaks and rattles. This car has been restored from top to bottom, and it shows. This is easily one of the nicest RoadRunners we've ever had in captivity. Let's find those keys and take this bad boy for a spin. Alright guys, we're going to take this 69 RoadRunner for a cruise. The 383 moves right along just fine. A TCI Street Converter, or Street Fighter Converter I should say. You can hear it's got a pretty good stall. Gear. It's a good cruiser. I don't think I would take it 85 miles an hour anywhere for a long distance, but it's an awesome 60 mile an hour highway cruiser. This car is all new from top to bottom, as you saw underneath. It's extremely clean, just as clean as up top. That high solids clear really gives a deep shine. Outside, walking around looking at the car, that black looks so deep you can hop in and take a swim. Does not have AC, but it does stay decently cool in here. Pretty warm out today, about 85 degrees out. Actually quite comfortable. Stops excellent, disc brakes up front. It is manual brakes, but no worries, it does stop extremely easy. The steering's nice and tight. Got an excellent sound. Those 3-inch Flowmasters on it give it an incredible sound. And no matter where you drive it, you're going to get some looks. So if you don't like being stopped at the gas station or going out at night, it may not be the car for you, because everybody loves this thing. Doesn't skip a beat. 50 miles an hour, let go of the wheel, straight as an arrow, and it just stays straight. Great alignment. Hit all these bumps, as you can hear, the car doesn't rattle and shake like most older muscle cars. Steering's very tight. Front and rear sway bars doing their job. The car doesn't really lean whenever you turn. It handles like it's on rails. Torqueflite shifts nice and firm, just as it should. Aftermarket radio in here. It does work. Heat and defrost work. We're going to do a little walk around outside of this car. That way you can see it out in the sun. It's just an unbelievable show quality paint job. Now what we're going to do is head on back to the showroom. I'll show you the underside. We'll do our little walk around outside. That way we can get a better look. You can hear that 383 just a thumping. Has an excellent sound, 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust. That Holley 850 carburetor. Beautiful chrome and stainless, slick black paint. Just look at that shine. Got any questions? Give us a call, 614-276-7355. Alright guys, we're going to do a little video of the underside of this 69 RoadRunner. So you can tell this car is all new underneath. Beautiful black paint underneath. Super slick, almost as slick as the top. It's got a drive shaft loop, looks like newer exhaust. Chrome pan on the 727. It's like a higher capacity oil pan. Sway bar. New bushings up front. Freshly serviced ball joints. Even the inner fenders are painted gloss black. Super, super clean car. 8 3/4 rear end. The 355 posi. New fuel tank. New shocks. Rear sway bar. This one just keeps getting better and better. Hang out the end, guys. I'll show you some stills of the underside. Got any questions? Give us a call, 614-276-7355.